Hi folks, Kenny from ScotPhil here, and welcome to the channel. Hit the likes, subscribe, share and all that good stuff. Thanks again for tuning in. I'm going to be bringing you an update on the vaccine rollouts here and in the Philippines. News about my particular situation and a wee bit of drone footage I've been trying to get. So stick around and let's jump in! Yes! I got my blue envelope from the NHS on Tuesday inviting me for my second jab on Monday the 31st, the last day of May. So slightly earlier than expected, as my final day after the first jab was June the 9th. So far here in Scotland, over 3 million adults have received their first jab, and of those, nearly 2 million have had a second. That must be getting to around 60% or more fully vaccinated now, and more than 80% partway there. As for the Philippines, they now have 7 vaccines approved for use, although the rollout is still way behind us. But the cases and deaths are still falling. Around 4.5 million jabs completed is only about 5% of the population. More vaccines are coming, and they are one of the countries that are also benefiting from the worldwide COVAX initiative in conjunction with the World Health Organization. The latest news on Scotland's restriction levels is that Glasgow have another week of level 3 before moving down to level 2 possibly next Friday. The rest of the mainland are waiting to hear about the move down to level 1, which is supposed to happen on Monday the 7th of June. There will be an update from the First Minister on Tuesday the 1st of June to confirm this. Also in the news is that the single-shot Johnson & Johnson vaccine has now been approved here in the UK, giving us another version which they think may also be good as a booster jab. For those who saw my YouTube Shorts video a couple days back, you'll know I had my new drone up for its first proper flight. Now, I said then that there would be footage from the camera mounted on the drone in this week's video. And this is what you're watching now. A lot of the views are similar to previous videos I've done, as anything looking over the river is much the same as I see from my bedroom window, only about 50 or so feet higher up the hill. I also wanted to do a bit around the monument at the top, but unfortunately that's about 200 feet higher than my mum's house, and at approximately 650 feet above sea level, it can sometimes get a bit gusty up there. I had hoped to go up this morning in time to edit it for today, but a cold haar had come in from the North Sea and it would have been pointless, as there wouldn't have been any views at all. Typical that the sun is out now while I'm recording this. Hopefully there will be a chance to rectify that as the week goes on. I'm also planning a trip to Aberdeen on Friday, and although I won't be taking the drone, and provided we get some decent weather, there will be a walkabout video for next Saturday. Remember then to hit the like button below, share the video on your social media channels, and subscribe if you haven't already. Till I see you next week, as always, stay safe, stay well, see you soon, hopefully.